Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export photo to DNG file on Adobe Lightroom. Now let's get started. First, open your Adobe Lightrooms. And after this, in here, you just click on the all photo and then click the photo that you want to export. And now in here you just click on this icon at the top and then click on the export as. And after this, in here you just click on the file type and click to DNG. Click on it, and after this, in here you can click on the check icon at the top and finish. So that how to export your photo to DNG file on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.